Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update for the Messenger app that makes it easier than ever to view all the media shared in your chats directly from your PC. Whether you're looking for that funny meme your friend sent or a special photo shared in a group chat, this feature simplifies the process and enhances your Messenger experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Messenger app. This should be the desktop version that you use on your PC. Once the app is open and you're logged in, it's time to locate the specific chat you want to browse through. You can scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Now that you've found the chat, go ahead and click on it to open the conversation. This is where the magic happens. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Media and Files. Click on that option to expand it. Finally, select Media from the options presented. This will display all the media shared in that particular chat, making it effortless to revisit those memorable moments, funny animations, or important files your friends and family have sent you, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can view all the media shared on Messenger chats right from your PC. This update is a game changer for anyone who frequently uses Messenger and wants to keep track of shared images and files. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your Messenger needs.